Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Das Academy of Science. In this video we discuss about hybridization of orbitals. The concept of hybridization is introduced by Linus Pauling in 1931. What is hybridization? Let us know. The redistribution of orbitals of almost equal energy in individual atoms give equal number of new orbitals with identical properties like energy and shape is called hybridization. The newly formed orbitals are called hybrid orbitals. Here we discuss the following three types of hybridizations: sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp hybridization. First, let us know about sp3 hybridization. Example for sp3 hybridization is methane, that is CH4. Let us discuss how sp3 hybridization occurs in methane. We know very well atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Let us see the electron configuration of carbon in ground state and excited state. In ground state, electron configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. But in excited state, one electron from 2s orbital goes to 2pz orbital, so that electron configuration of carbon in excited state is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Here, if you observe, in these four orbitals which are in outermost shell, that is 2s, 2px, 2py, 2pz, contains one unpaired single electron. These four orbitals, that is 2s orbital, 2px orbital, 2py orbital, 2pz orbital, undergo into sp3 hybridization. Why we call this hybridization as sp3 hybridization? Because one s orbital and 3 p orbitals, in total 4 orbitals undergo into hybridization, so that it is called sp3 hybridization. Thus formed newly orbitals are called sp3 hybrid orbitals. Let us see in diagrams. This is 2s orbital, this is 2px orbital, this is 2py orbital, and this is 2pz orbital. All these four orbitals undergo into sp3 hybridization. They remix and reshuffle and forms sp3 hybrid orbitals like this. These hybrid orbitals have same shape and same energy. Since here 4 orbitals are participated in hybridization, so 4 hybrid orbitals are formed. These are called sp3 hybrid orbitals. If you see here, all these 4 hybrid orbitals, that is sp3 hybrid orbitals, are formed in tetrahedron shape like this. The angle between any two sp3 hybrid orbitals is 109 degrees 28 minutes. So sp3 hybrid orbitals formed with tetrahedron shape and angle between hybrid orbitals is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Now let us see how CH4 is formed. Here, each sp3 hybrid orbital contains one single unpaired electron. So these four sp3 hybrid orbitals forms bond with any monovalent atom. For example, if these sp3 hybrid orbitals form bonds with hydrogen atoms which are having single unpaired electron which is in opposite spin, like this. So 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals forms 4 bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms, and here each sp3 hybrid orbital overlap on s orbital of hydrogen and forms sigma sp3s bond. Here 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals overlap on 4 s orbitals of hydrogen atoms and forms 4 sigma sp3 s bonds. And angle between any two HCH bond is 109 degrees 28 minutes. This is the formation of methane. If you see here in CH4 in this slide, bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes in each HCH bond. So there are 4 HCH bonds. So in all 4 angles is 109 degrees 28 minutes. That is, the shape of CH4 is in tetrahedron shape and 4 sp3s bonds are present in CH4. So finally the conclusion is shape of CH4 molecule is tetrahedron and bond angle of HCH is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Now let us discuss about sp2 hybridization. Example for sp2 hybridization is ethene C2H4. Let us discuss how sp2 hybridization occurs in ethene. As previous I told, atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Again, if we discuss electron configuration of carbon in ground state and excited state. In ground state, electron configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. But in excited state, one electron from 2s orbital goes to 2pz orbital. So that in excited state, electron configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. If you observe here, 2s orbital, 2px orbital, 2py orbital and 2pz orbital contains unpaired single electron. So that these 4 orbitals which are in outermost shell can form 4 bonds. But in sp2 hybridization, 2s orbital and only 2p orbitals, that is 2px and 2py orbitals only undergo into hybridization. Since here 1s orbital and 2p orbitals only undergo into hybridization, this hybridization is called sp2 hybridization. And thus formed newly hybrid orbitals are called sp2 hybrid orbitals. Let us see here. sp2 hybrid orbitals are formed And what about 2pz orbital? It's remaining as previous. Just 2pz orbital which is not participated in hybridization. So here only 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals are formed and 2pz orbital remaining the same. Let us discuss diagrammatically. This is 2s orbital, this is 2px orbital, this is 2py orbital, and this is 2pz orbital. Here 2s orbital, 2px orbital and 2py orbital undergo into sp2 hybridization. They reshuffle and remix and form newly sp2 hybrid orbitals which are in same energy and with same shape. These three are called sp2 hybrid orbitals. Here 2pz orbital remains the same, and these sp2 hybrid orbitals are like this. If you observe the shape of these three sp2 hybrid orbitals is planar trigonal or trigonal planar shape. The angle between any two sp2 hybrid orbitals is 120 degrees. And we have pz orbital without any hybridization is there. That pz orbital is like this. Pz orbital is perpendicular to this trigonal planar plane. Now, this type of carbon with sp2 hybridization, when comes close to another carbon of sp2 hybridization, sp2 hybrid orbital of one carbon and sp2 hybrid orbital of another carbon overlap end on end and form sigma sp2 bond. Here these two sp2 hybrid orbitals contains 2 electrons of opposite spin only. Now each carbon has 2 sp2 hybrid orbitals. In total 4 sp2 hybrid orbitals are there for 2 carbon atoms. These 4 sp2 hybrid orbitals forms bonds with any monovalent atoms like hydrogen atoms. If sp2 hybrid orbital form bond with hydrogen like this, here formed 4 bonds. Here sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon atom bonds with s orbital of hydrogen atom. Here bond is between, that is overlap between sp2 hybrid orbital and s orbital, so that this bond forms sigma sp2 s bond like this. So here 4 sp2 s bonds, but here each carbon has unhybridized pz orbital. These two pz orbitals are parallel to each other, also perpendicular to this trigonal planar plane. So these two pz orbitals cannot overlap end on end. So they overlap partially or laterally like this and form pi pz bond. So if you observe here, 2 bonds are present between carbon atoms. One is sigma sp2 bond, another one is pi pz bond. and 4 sigma sp2s bonds are there. See here. So double bond is present between carbon and carbon, and 4 hydrogen bonds with 2 carbons. So that ethene molecular formula is C2H4, that is CH2 double bond CH2. Now let us discuss about sp hybridization. Example for sp hybridization is ethyne C2H2. Let us discuss how sp hybridization occurs in ethyne. You know very well, atomic number of carbon is 6, its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Let us see the electron configurations of carbon in ground state and excited state. In ground state, its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. But in excited state, one electron from 2s orbital goes to 2pz orbital, so that in excited state, electron configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. So here in 2s orbital and 2p orbitals having unpaired single electron each. But in sp hybridization, only 2s orbital and any one of 2p orbitals. Let take an example of 2px orbital. So one 2s orbital and one 2px orbital undergo into hybridization. So that this hybridization is called sp hybridization and form two identical sp hybrid orbitals. But here 2py orbital and 2pz orbital, which are unhybridized, remaining the same as just p orbitals. If you see in figures, this is 2s orbital of carbon, 2px orbital, 2py orbital, 2pz orbital. Here 2s orbital and 2px orbital, only two orbitals undergoes into sp hybridization, and these two orbitals remix and reshuffle and forms two identical hybrid orbitals with equal energy and same shape. These two orbitals are called sp hybrid orbitals, and 2py orbital and 2pz orbitals remaining the same without any hybridization. Now these two sp hybrid orbitals are formed like this. The angle between these two hybrid orbitals is 180 degrees. Now here unhybridized pz orbital and py orbital are like this. Now sp hybrid orbital of one carbon and sp hybrid orbital of another carbon overlap end on end and form sigma sp sp bond, and each carbon has one more sp hybrid orbital. These two hybrid orbitals overlap with the s orbital of hydrogen atom and forms sigma sps bonds. Now each carbon has unhybridized py orbital, similarly pz orbital, and now these py orbitals are parallel to each other and they cannot overlap end on end. So they overlap partially and form pi py bond. Similarly, pz orbitals also parallel to each other, so they also not overlap end on end. They overlap partially or laterally and form pi pz bond. Now, in this molecule, there is sigma sp bond and two sigma sps bonds and two pi bonds. In between carbon atoms, three bonds are present. One is sigma bond and another two are pi bonds. Sigma sp bond and two pi bonds. They are pi py bond and pi pz bond. So in total there is triple bond between carbon atoms, and this is CH triple bond CH, that is ethane molecule. So if you observe in this slide, so there are in total 5 bonds are present: sigma sp bond, sigma sps bonds, and pi py and pi pz bonds. This is about ethane molecule. What we learn in this video: hybridization, formation of sp3, sp2 and sp hybrid orbitals, examples of sp3, sp2 and sp hybridization, shapes of hybrid orbitals. Thank you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel, Das Academy of Science.